Hey everyone, welcome to The Explainer. I'm stepping in as your healthcare mentor today, and honestly, I am absolutely thrilled to guide you through what is literally a massive transformation in medicine. We're standing right on the edge of something huge here. Today, we're diving straight into the future of digital healthcare, and more importantly, exactly how you can secure your spot in it through the Clinical AI Healthcare Certification Program. So, let's just get right into it.
Now think about this for a second. What if you could actually harness the power of AI to detect disease earlier, read scans with pinpoint accuracy, and ultimately save more lives? I mean, for every clinician and medical student watching this right now, that's exactly why we do what we do, right? Improving patient outcomes is the ultimate goal always. And artificial intelligence? It's no longer just some futuristic buzzword. It's a clinical reality that's completely redefining how we diagnose, treat, and manage patient care every single day.
Okay, let's dive into this. When we talk about AI in healthcare today, we aren't just talking about your basic algorithms anymore. We're talking about agentic AI. Basically, these are highly advanced autonomous systems that can actually plan, reason, and take action to accomplish goals right inside your clinical workflows. Imagine an AI that doesn't just, flag a blocked operating room, but actively reschedules and optimizes the entire workflow all on its own. This is cutting-edge technology that's revolutionizing hospital operations right now, literally taking the burden off human staff so you can focus on actual patient care. And the demand for these exact skills? It is absolutely exploding. Just look at this number, $946 billion. That is the projected value of the global digital health market by the year 2030. To put that into perspective, what this massive number truly represents is a tidal wave of career opportunities waiting for healthcare professionals who are willing to adapt and upskill. The modern job market is actively, hungrily searching for clinicians who understand data. And as your mentor, I can tell you for sure, those who learn to speak the language of AI are going to be the ones leading the departments of tomorrow.
All right, moving on to Section 1, Bridging the Gap, the Clinical Tech Divide. To really understand why this certification is so vital, we kind of have to look at this severe divide in the industry right now. On one side, we've got tech experts, brilliant software engineers who can build incredible AI models, but they completely lack the crucial medical context and clinical reasoning required for actual patient safety. They don't know what it's like to treat a real patient. Then on the other side, we have you, healthcare professionals with deep medical knowledge, but who currently lack those technical AI skills. Well, this certification program is specifically designed to be the bridge between these two totally isolated worlds. It creates a brand new breed of professional who speaks both languages fluently.
I actually love this incredibly powerful quote from practitioners in the field. A fool with a tool is a dangerous fool. It hits the nail right on the head. We all know that just playing around with consumer chatbots isn't going to cut it when a misdiagnosis means a patient's life is literally on the line. Improper use of AI without structured, formal medical training can lead to some really dangerous medical errors. So we need rigorous, safe training to make sure this tech is used effectively in real clinical settings.
So, the absolutely crucial point here is this. You do not need to be a computer scientist to take control of this technology. Let me repeat that. Absolutely no prior coding experience is required. None. This training builds directly on the existing medical knowledge you already have. It's designed to take your clinical expertise and basically stack highly practical AI skills right on top of it. You bring the medical know-how, the program gives you the exact tools to scale it. That brings us to Section 2, Practical Mastery, Applied in Healthcare.
So how do we actually move from theory to true mastery? Well, the curriculum is broken down into 3 highly focused phases that get you incredibly hands-on right out of the gate. Step 1, you build your foundations, learning Python and how to handle healthcare data structures safely. Step 2, you dive into these amazing hands-on workshops, directly applying machine learning to real medical imaging. And finally, Step 3 is a mentored project where you actually build your own clinical AI solution. You'll smoothly transition from zero technical knowledge to holding a robust, portfolio-ready project. That's a real game changer.
And you aren't just learning abstract concepts here either. This brilliantly illustrates how you'll master AI automation using real-world, publicly available medical data sets, like the NIH chest X-ray dataset. Whether you're automating tumor detection on an MRI, identifying subtle patterns in diagnostic data, analyzing dental imaging for periodontal disease, or even integrating AI straight into electronic health records, the training is universally applicable across tons of diverse medical specialties. You are tackling the exact, real-world problems hospitals face every single day.
Let's move on to Section 3, Resource Limits, Overcoming Challenges.
Now look, it's totally great to talk about high-tech AI, But let's talk about the actual reality on the ground in emerging markets like Pakistan, for example. With 54.4% of the population effectively offline, relying purely on heavy, cloud-based AI, well, it simply isn't practical. Let's be honest, half the time we can't even rely on the clinic Wi-Fi to send a basic email, let alone run a massive neural network to triage a patient in a remote village. We need technology that works where the patients actually are, not just in state-of-the-art tech hubs.
And that is exactly why this specific training prepares you to build localized solutions. You'll learn all about Edge AI and TinyML. In simple terms, it means shrinking these massive, powerful AI brains down so they can live directly inside low-power wearable devices or just run locally on a standard clinic computer without even needing the internet. It actively embraces the bring-your-own-device model, meaning you can process data and gain diagnostic insights right from your smartphone. It completely bypasses those broader infrastructure barriers and delivers care exactly where it's needed. Let's move to Section 4 and see how this builds into something even bigger: global careers, remote work opportunities. Solving local problems is amazing. Absolutely. But this is also about making you globally competitive in the job market. And to do that, you'll be learning from the absolute best. This program is led by Dr. Usman Hadi from Ulster University in the UK, an AI researcher who has been ranked in the top 2% globally for 4 consecutive years. No joke. Having world-class, internationally recognized mentorship like that guarantees that the skills you're learning aren't just good in theory, but actually meet the absolute highest global standards demanded by top healthcare institutions worldwide. And those global standards, they unlock some truly incredible career outcomes. The certification sets you up for highly sought-after roles. Think clinical AI specialist or digital health consultant. And hey, if you're an aspirant for the USMLE, PLAB, or ORE looking to build a career overseas, having a clinical AI portfolio literally sets you leagues apart from other candidates who only have traditional clinical experience. Plus, it opens up some highly lucrative remote work and global freelancing opportunities. It gives you true career mobility to work from pretty much anywhere in the world. Okay, bringing it home with Section 5. Next steps. Step into your AI future. We've covered a lot of ground today, right? From the clinical need for agentic AI to overcoming infrastructure hurdles, all the way to launching a remote global career. So what's your next step? Well, this program is intentionally built around your incredibly demanding schedule. It's a 4-week, weekend intensive course held right on campus. It is hyper-practical and explicitly designed so that working clinicians, residents, and medical students can actively upskill without ever having to step away from their primary medical duties. We know how busy you are. So I'm going to leave you with this final provocative thought. The AI revolution in healthcare isn't happening in 10 years. It's happening right now. You can either sit back and watch the industry change around you, or you can equip yourself with the exact skills to be the one leading that change. So what's it going to be? Are you ready to stop waiting and start building your career-transforming clinical AI pathway today? I really hope to see you there.